Now we are going to study about branches of chemistry. The chemistry has many branches. It is not a single branch. It has many branches so that it can cover all areas. So the branch is like, it is divided into inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, and biochemistry. Now, what are these branches exactly? Inorganic chemistry deals with the study of the minerals which are found in earth except carbon. I am repeating, except carbon. Inorganic chemistry deals with the study of compounds except carbon, because carbon, there are so many compounds of carbon, so we have a separate branch to study about carbon, that is the organic chemistry. So organic chemistry is a branch in which deals with the study of carbon and its compounds. It may contain some other element also in traces, but the main constituent is going to be carbon. Physical chemistry study with all theoretical processes, like when there is change in the heat, temperature, viscosity, surface tension, density, all those theoretical concepts which we come across in daily routine life. And analytical chemistry deals with the study of determination and estimation of specimen in sample. Now what is that? I'll give you an example for it. Suppose I'm giving you some sample and I want you to know that which element it contains. So you will have the certain test to perform by which you can know that this and this element is present in it. And moreover, you can not only identify, you can also know the weight or percentage of that component in the specimen. So the whole test and all, the determination and the mass, weightage, everything, it comes under analytical chemistry. Biochemistry deals with the study of the substances and their conversion presence in the living matter, because bio means living and chemistry means chemical process. So all the substances which undergo any change in the living substance, it comes under biochemistry. So these are the 5 branches of chemistry.